Hi everyone, this is AMarkets daily review and my name is Maria. I'm here to talk to you about our main trading ideas and what we think you should use during this day. Of course, we pay attention to the news list and to all talks that we have around markets. Today, as usual, we talk about euro, we talk about Great Britain pound, and of course, some crypto coins. Well, about the news list for Friday, March 16th, what I like for today, you should pay attention to CPI for Italy and harmonized CPI for February from Eurozone. This will be published at 10 a.m. GMT time. After that, we get some news from United States of America. It will be at 12:30 p.m. and these are housing starts and building permits for February. This is a really good opportunity to trade on all the currencies for this period because well, this news, if you search in history how currencies behave themselves in the moment when these news are published, you see some movements, but they're not trend movements. So it's a good opportunity to trade with the levels, with some local levels of support and resistance for currencies. And that's what we're going to use today for Euro, for Great Britain pound, and so on. Also, here are some news from United States at 1 p.m. This will be industrial production for February. So we have some news to be published, and of course, we need to discuss what happened already. And as you know, as I think you saw already on market, United States dollar slipped lower against the major currencies on Friday, and yeah, pulling away from a 1 week high following news of potential personal changes at the White House. I think we all heard about these changes and the strong decisions from the President of the United States, but these are not all bad news from America. Also, we heard that son of Trump, the president of the United States, is going to divorce, and all this bunch of published news on around the market will, of course, put a bad dark shadow on United States dollar. About levels that I think we should pay attention to while trading United States dollar for today. If we don't see a new high for today, if the price won't go above 90.20, then we keep selling United States dollar. What I like an idea for today for United States dollar, as far as we have those housing starts and building permits at 12:30 p.m. So we should try to sell United States dollar after the news will be published, so after 12:30 p.m. The target to sell is about 89.70, and the entry point is about 90.20. But of course, we need to measure the news that will be published and the fact that how market reacts on this news. What I think for levels, the good level of resistance for USD is at 90.20 for today. Okay, and let's go to some our ideas. Look at the chart. As usual, I show you my charts so you can see what I relate to. The 4-hour chart, and still we use this trading range. I told you, and the whole for like 2 weeks we trade this range with the ideas to sell after the breakdown of trend lines, local small trend lines, and it works really good. For today, what do we see? We still are in a range, and you should sell. I hope you see the, yeah, let me show you closer. You should sell euro dollar at around 1.2325 with the target 1.2290. My idea is that for like maybe a month, if we stay above 1.23, then we have a good opportunity for price to go to 1.25 or 1.2740. But if we see the breakdown of the level of support to 1.23, then here is a maybe I think an idea will be changed and we will start selling to 1.22, 1.21. But for now, during this day, I want to sell near 1.2320 with a target 1.2290 maximum. If you see the breakup of this trend tendency line, local small one tendency line, if you see the breakdown and the price will go higher, so you buy with the target 1.24. First price that will be reached is let me show you 1.2360. It's right here. You see the candles that stopped. The price was falling down on March 13, and this price 1.2360 stopped the market. So my target to buy euro dollar after the breakup of this tendency line is 1.2360. Well, actually, I should delete this one. Yep, this is our target. The second entry point for euro dollar is 1.2290 if we see that price goes down and we try to catch it from the bottom. I told you that there are also some news from Eurozone, so this currency pair is super interesting for today to trade. Okay, next we go to Great Britain pound. What I like here, I hope that you follow our YouTube channel, and of course you follow our ideas and you trade with us. We already had a good buy right here for Great Britain pound. We had a good sell after the breakdown of the tendency line, and now what I would like to buy Great Britain pound near 1.3890, but I'm not sure that the market will give us this idea and will give us this opportunity to buy. So we have to look closer to the level that we have here. It's 1.3920, and you see that it's hard for market to go to go lower than this price. So we can try to buy this currency pair as a rebound from the level of support 1.3920. If you see the breakdown of 1.3920, then the target is 1.39, 1.3890, and this will be the price where we wanna catch and buy this currency pair. So the first idea is that we are waiting for United States dollar to fall, to go down today and maybe next week. This is our idea, and due to this idea we put technical picture for other currencies, and of course trying to find entry points. Those are entry points for euro dollar and Great Britain pound. Okay, about now let's talk about the gold. I hope you trade with us. So we are giving some good some good ideas for metal market as well. The trading levels 1310, 1325 are still on work, and we still use them. Okay, if you don't believe us, try to believe to the market. Check out the buyer here in 1310, 1315. On March 10th, on March 9th, on March 13th, on March 15th. Same level that doesn't give an opportunity to go lower. So we use it to buy gold. Keep buying gold with the target 1,325. For now, this idea will work. If we see that the United States dollar going down, so it's a good time to buy gold to the end of this day. Okay, next we use, of course, silver. Let me, here it is. Silver. Same picture, same level. Seriously, you could make like millions of money with us this week. This is the picture for silver, and this is 1 hour chart, and same levels that I show you that I'm talking to you about whole like second week, not the first week, second week. The level of support is 16.40. This is the price where we buy silver, and the target to buy silver is 16.60. Use it, trade it today. It's still on work, and we still hope to get money from these trades today as well. You buy near the level of support 16.40 with the target 16.60. After that, after you see some candles with the shadow on the top side, you sell silver from 16.60 with the target 16.40. So that's it for today. I think Yeah, I think that's enough, and those are some good trades that you used today. I wish you profits. I wish you a good end of this week. And if you like this video, please thumbs up and of course join our channel. Bye. See you.